welcome back to Jay's Journey. Today at Istanbul, we will be exploring local daily food, which is kebab. It literally means grilled meat in Turkish, and kebab is a signature meal in the whole of Turkey nation. We will be comparing the difference between the $5 kebab and the $50 kebab meal. What's the environment like? What's the food and the side dishes? Finally, if there's any difference in the standard of the meat that will be being grouped and served. So right now, let's start with the $5 kebab meal. So as usual, our Turkish meal normally will start with a lentil soup. Even though it's only a $5 meal, but there's also lots of side dish that's being served. It's a protein-rich soup that is vegan-friendly, infused with a lots of other herbs. Lentil soup is really delicious. Normally, I would like to add some chili oil, and I will definitely squeeze in some fresh lemon juice to enhance this soup taste. This thick soup is not only acts as a good starter, but it's also a strong base mixture for other food and side dish that will be coming in later. Right now, I tear some of the flatbread out, wrapping it with a pickled chili called Turkish, and I will dip it in this soup to use it as a gravy before I go for it. Now that our kebab wrap is finally here, we can see that it's not huge in meat quantity as it's just a $5 meal, but it's definitely not a small kebab. My first bite, I had used it with no mixture inside to taste the raw ingredient before I mix it in with my second bite with the soup. Then I stuffed in a pickled chili for my third bite to change the taste. So the whole taste is spicy, sour, meaty and starchy. Everything just mixed together and explodes. And I came over next to a small pub, chill a bit before we go for our $50 meal. So let's use the icy cold beer to wash down the aftertaste. Let's reset my taste bud. This is a toast to all my audience, and let's go for the $50 kebab meal. As we can see, the environment is definitely bigger than the first shop. There's huge crowd everywhere, assuring that this food quality is top-notch standard. And look at that fire, we can see lots of chefs working hard at the open kitchen. Man, their order must definitely be locked. You can imagine how much meat is being served here. Lots of choice. The chefs are making bakery, pastries, and all the small eateries, desserts. The tall flames of the fire that's grilling the kebab is really amazing. And at this corner, they're using a traditional tandoor oven to bake bread. This is an ancient baking method. This clay oven uses charcoal as a fuel, which bakes strong smoking fragrance into the bread. Now as usual, we will start off the meal with a lentil soup. I would say that both meal soup actually taste the same. There's not much difference. Both are very nice, but the flatbread is different. They have stacked a pile of meat within the thin sliced flatbread, and each piece of the grilled meat is thinly sliced. It's really tempting for me to have a big bite down. So you can use the flatbread to go with the kebab meat, but for me, I have ordered some rice and I'm gonna use it as a base to go with the grilled meat too. This rice is cooked with mixed dry fruit, thus has a strong fruity smell, and I can't wait to give it a try. Next, I sprinkled some of the herbs and spices, and now it's the time to feast. My friend Namso was telling me that locals love this shop, and they almost every weekly will gather here for meat. Right now, Namso is showing me how to wrap a Turkish wrap. He's stuffing pails of grilled meat into the flatbread, adding in some onions and other vegetables before wrapping them up for a bite. And trust me, it looks and tastes so good. But for me, I have taken a step further by dipping it into the lentil soup for more complex taste. So that's the end of this video. $5 meal is value for money, but $50 meal is definitely tastes better. What's your take? Comment down below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.